Hey guys, welcome to my video. This is just a video of me showing the products that I use for making a wig. I will leave all the products in the hair and the net in the description box below, okay? This is not a tutorial, this is just a video of showing you guys how I make my wigs personally. I'm not a professional at anything I do. I learned everything on my own, so just enjoy the video. I will talk through some things and others I will not. Disclosure, I bought this hair from Amazon. I will also have a link below of where I purchased this hair. I believe for like 40 or 50 bucks for a 16-inch, a 14-inch, 12-inch, and a 10-inch. And I had got a 10-inch closure, and the closure was pretty good. The hair was kind of thin at the ends, but you know, we're gonna make it work. All right. Now I already had tied a knot in my needle and thread, and I'm just continuing to sew all around in a circle, as so. If you have this part packed down, basically I'm just sewing around the closure. You can fast forward this part. I would say I had sew it somewhat close together, but not too far apart, and it always worked out for me. Sometimes I do get little bunches in the back, but it's just the way that you lay your closure down with the T-pins, so them came in handy. So I'm just showing you guys how I sew the back, and I'm just continuing to sew all the way to the top, okay? For this part, I already made a knot in my needle and thread. I'm just showing you guys how I will lay the final track. Sometimes I sew through the closure just a tad big, or I'll sew through the net. But in this case, I did sew through the closure to make sure it's firm and secure. And all right, guys, that's it. Quick, fast, simple. I will be uploading part 2 of the closure plucking and hair blending, so check out for that. And don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye, you guys.